So we do two types of DNA test here. We have ones known as legal tests, ones that you can use in court or accredited DNA tests, and personal information tests. So personal information tests are tests that you're basically doing just for your own knowledge. You're not going to use these results to change any legal documents. It's just to find out if somebody is or is not the biological father of a child, or maybe it's to find out if two people are related as maybe full siblings or half siblings. So the difference between a personal information test and the legal test, other than what you can use it for, is the sample collection process itself. With a personal information test, you can take the samples yourselves. We prepare the sample collection kits, which contain your swabs and consent forms, and a tamper-proof reply paid envelope. You take the samples at home and send them back to us. The only thing that we would strongly recommend with this sort of test is that, if at all possible, everybody who's taking part in the test, so it could be the mother, the alleged father and child, are all together at the time of sampling, so everybody's happy that the right person did indeed take part in the test. If you need a test for legal purposes, such as changing a birth certificate for court or for immigration, you need to go down the accredited DNA testing route. And you need to choose a company such as ourselves that has 17025 accreditation, which is specifically an accreditation for testing laboratories, but the company also must be on the Ministry of Justice's list, which we are on. Now, the biggest difference between a legal and a personal information test, other than what you can do with the results, is how the samples themselves are collected. So for our legal test, you need one of our registered collectors to come out and collect the samples from the family. We'll contact you to make arrangements for a suitable date and time for the appointment to take place. The collector will come along with the sample collection kit that contains the swabs and the bespoke consent forms. All you need to do is provide us with a valid form of ID, and our collector will also take photographs if you don't have any on site. Of course, if you've got any questions about either of our tests, whether it's personal information or legal, please contact us on the numbers on the website. One of our team will happily discuss any queries or concerns that you may have.